Guys, nobody gets flack like umuntu olungile. Like, if you're a quiet person, like, we get so much flack. And I say we because I am naturally umuntu olungile. I'm more talkative or open to talk if I am by myself, believe it or not. Yes, I talk to myself like I'm doing right now, talking to the camera. I'm open to socialize and talk if I know you, we've hung out, you know me, you get me. If we're meeting for the first time, my biggest thing is I cannot do small talk. Like, hit me with a hard conversation, then I'm in, yabo. But if we hang out for the first time, I'm sort of wary about what to say, so I don't say much. I'm mostly just quiet and I analyze my surroundings. But there's nothing worse. There will be that one person who'll be like, "Oh, Setule, are you okay?" Granted, they're trying to be maybe nice, but it is the most annoying thing. And I don't know why quiet people get flack for being quiet. Like, inside, as soon as you ask me that, inside, I'm like, "Are you okay? Like, are you okay? Are you okay? We're meeting for the first time. Why did I come? You know? Like, if you're quiet, and I come from, like, my siblings, Sithule, singabantu abathuleyo, but once we know and we're comfortable with you, settled. But that push to talk, it is the most overwhelming, overstimulating, annoying thing ever. Like, let people be. Like, at some point, umuntu will warm up and feel like, oh, okay, I can contribute to this conversation. Oh, okay, I can relate to this. But, like, the pressure to be like, ubuthetha, ha, no.